Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I want to redecorate a box I found in the attic. And I like the inside, but I really don't like the outside. And for that reason, I'm going to redecorate it. I have no idea who created it, but it was there, so I'm going to use it. And I'm using my scissors for this one because I can't use my cutting machine. And for the box itself, the sides, I'm going to use this washi tape. I think that's just big enough. And I think the paper I'm going to use from my book is a little bit too old. So, too old? No, too plain. So I'm going to use some distress ink, some yellow and some brown, and it doesn't work the way I want, so I'm doing it a strange way, but it works, and if it works, then it's all right. And because you can't really see now the text that it's on anymore, and I have no idea where the book is about. It's something about Napoleon or something like that. I saw that. But it's a love story, so it's a weird book. But okay, I like the pages. And now the difficulty will be how to get the paper around the book. As you see, I'm not very good in cutting, so I'm going to use some washi tape at the end. I couldn't do it by machine, the cutting, because that's then the paper will tear and wrinkle and I don't know whatever. So I just fold it a little bit around, and now I'm making hard curves in it. And my husband already said, "Why don't you throw the box away?" I said, "No, it's a good box to store papers or stickers or something like that." And everyone who has hobbies like this can always use boxes and things like that. So I wanted to redecorate it. And my mother was very good in creating such kind of boxes, but I know that this is not one of hers because she would never use this kind of paper. But I never know how to create your own boxes like that. That's a different art. And the reason the paper is so weak, I can't use my glue roller because that's too strong. Then the paper will tear as well. So I'm using old-fashioned glue and trying to turn this around, but that doesn't work. And while I'm doing this and it doesn't work, I'm thinking that I can use my glue roller for the inside just on the box. That's no problem. So that works better. Well, now it starts look like something else. And this fits perfectly, and it always looks easy to put washi tape over something else, but that's as you see, a little bit hard. It wrinkles in ways I don't want to, but at the end it will succeed. It has to succeed. And it's always nice if you create something from something old. So that's much better. The only thing I didn't think that through is that the edges of the box. So I think I'm going to use some washi tape for all of that. This is the side that I cut. And now I'm trying to put this on the edges of the box. If the box is standing, I can see the ugly paper. I'm not going to do to decorate the bottom of the box, but I try this. Oh, this side of the box I want to have it with washi tape. And I have to do it with some patience. But patience is not always my best side. But if you use it and be quiet, then at the end, look, that's better. And I put some washi tape over here as well, and as you see, it's perfectly screwed up, so I can't do it in a correct line, but okay. Well, that looks better already. And then I can decorate the front, and I found some lovely papers on AliExpress. Is it called in America Ali? I don't know. The company in China. And I found these ones, and I think they're really, 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 really lovely. And they're so cheap if you buy them over there. I mean, even with the sending to the Netherlands, that's incredible. And I found these burned papers as well, so I want to use one of them as well. That will cover it up all a bit. And I found a lovely, it looks like lace, things like that. I mean, I love it that there are nowadays so much kind papers that you can buy. I mean, that's really very nice. And I'm going to glue this one as well. But this one is a bit too pale. I make it a little bit darker so that it's more in line with the rest. And I found this is small papers. It's not stickers as well on AliExpress. It's all from the same company, I think. But there is so much material nowadays, and it's so lovely to use and look at. And some extra color. And I never know in what kind of direction I will put the box, so it will be a bit nicer if I put it in both sides, some flowers and some texts. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and please give it a like if you like it, the video. I'm very happy with that. And now my box is it's finished, and I'm very happy with it, and so I can fill it up with the papers I have and use it. And I hope you enjoyed this video and get some inspiration of it, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!